Yeah, greetings guys. You know, say Dex Media. I'm there. I gotta do an unboxing of a brand new equipment to my order online, and it's a light stand. So when you stick around to that video, got a video I go mad. Yeah man, I remember so when you click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Yeah man, Dex Media. Guys, I'm so excited to do this unboxing right now. So basically, as you can see, it is straight from Adorama. See it? Adorama, or what it one name. And basically is a Flashpoint 9.5 crushed air. You understand? Aluminum and everything. So basically I'm gonna show you what go on the packages. So basically it's a Flashpoint 9.5. So basically it is straight from Adorama, and it's a Flashpoint 9.5 foot ear cushion black aluminum stand. You understand? It's heavy duty. This stand is much better than the one that I did have earlier. So I did have one earlier that I got my camera with. So I decided that I'm gonna do an upgrade now, because I think it done it time. I have it for over 4 years, over 2 years I have it for, to be correct. So let me pull this. Wow. Yeah, so basically guys, as you can see, it come in a nice case. Yeah, it come in a nice case. So I'm gonna review the case here too. See there? I'm in a nice case. So that means when traveling, like how me as a man, I always travel on the road and thing, if I go do my shoot, you know, say when you put in this it come with a nice strap. You know, say this will be useful. You see it? Yeah. Even though it don't look like it's so durable. Cause by drawing this, I realize it's not so flexible, you understand? But me still gonna use it same way, you understand? Yeah. So this was what I was using from earlier. Yeah, this was what I'm using earlier. So basically, as you can see, this is very, very basics, and I really do it time. So that's why I really do an upgrade right now. You understand? Yeah. So let's get back to the review. Yeah, guys. Alright. Let me take it out of this plastic right now and show you what I'm going. So basically, I just the bag it come with. Nothing else not coming out of the package. Empty. Yeah. Let me take you out of this now and show you what I'm going. Yes, this is so nice, guys. Yeah, guys, this is beautiful. Wow. Basically, it comes with a name tag. I buy it straight from the manufacturer. Yeah, I buy it straight from brand new. See the 9.5 ear cushion aluminum 4, and this is the blue. It also comes in different color, but I choose the blue one because blue is one of my favorite color. Yeah. So basically I'm gonna loosen it up now and do the setting up. Yeah guys, I'm loving it so far. Yeah man, it's much better than the first one that I did have. Yeah guys, so underneath, as you can see, underneath I look. So if you loosen up, all I need to do is just loosen this like that. See it? And work it out. This needs to loosen also. See it? Yeah, wow. This is very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Wow. guys, so let me show you what's going on. So basically it come with the adjustments. So this is the adjustments, so you can adjust it how you want to adjust it, you understand? So the more you put it up, so it stretch out anywhere you want to stretch out. So basically you just hit this and tighten it. Come on. So basically these up here is to extend it. So if you want it to go up more, oh, I want it to stop there. And as you can see, take it time to come down. It now go just slam down like that. Yeah, that is the beauty I love about this. So in case if you don't have some heavy equipment on it, it now go just slam down and jam and you understand? So this is very, very good. Yeah guys, right now I'm gonna do the setting up. So I'm gonna put my bracket on it. Basically it comes with this, so you can screw it out and put it anywhere. I think it can also attach to the side also. It have a little ends at the side. I'm loving that. Alright, so basically I'm gonna put it at the top. I use feet to go at the top. Alright. And then now I'll put my bracket. This is a C bracket. Oops, look like my D-drum. Look like it's supposed to go the other way, guys. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to fit. And then now I'm just put my bracket. Yeah, this bracket is for my flash. So I'm gonna really test out this thing and see how far it can go. You understand? Yeah. See it? Yeah, the brackets, they panic good and everything. Yeah. This is really nice so far. I really like the feel of it and everything. It's durable and it's not so heavy either. It's lightweight. Yeah, it's heavy, yes, but it's not so extremely heavy. Alright, let me see how far it can extend. But I already didn't show and say how it can go up to a whole heap of feet. Alright, let's whoa. Yeah guys. Wow, it can go way up. Wow, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man, it's a good look. You see it take a little time. And remember, if you all need to just tighten this feet stay. Alright, I'm gonna do a final video and show you when I extend it all the way up. Okay, this thing look like it can go all the way up. It can extend way up. You see it? Yeah, it's a good look. Alright. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna just show you this stand same way. Watch. I extend it all the way up and it can go even further. Yeah man, it's a good look so far. It's a good look. Yeah guys, so basically I may have the stand outside. I thought this stand is very, very extendable. I did have to bring it outside so I can show you the full length of this stand. So right now I'm gonna extend it up more because I bucked the top part. As you can see, this is a little demonstration. So in time, it can just slide down by itself automatically. Very, very nice. Yeah guys, so basically I'm showing you how I extend it way up. And it really go all the way up guys, as you can see. And it's very sturdy. So I think this worth it for the price that I pay for it. Yeah man, if you don't want a C stand and you want an all-rounded stand, yeah, this stand from Adorama, yeah, it's a perfect choice. So it's an ear cushion. Yeah, very, very nice stand. And as I said earlier, I will have the link in the description. Yeah, man. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna show you how the stand is. I'm extending all the way up. Alright, so as you can see, it's 9.5 inch ear cushion aluminum. Alright, and this is the blue one. It comes in 3 different colors. So I ordered the blue one. So basically, it's and I say earlier, it's from Adorama. Yeah, the brand. that name Adorama. So let me show you it. Let's go all the way up. Yeah, and photographers, you see when you have a stand that can go all the way, extend all the way up. Yeah, it's a very, very good look. Yeah, and it's very, very sturdy. But feet sturdy, we have to make sure so we don't tighten all these knobs right here though. Yeah, man. Look at her, man. You see when you carry it done. You know, I go just slam down, so you know, you take a little time and slam down. See there? So I take a little time and come down. That's how they make it. So just take a little time. So my last take on this stand, I think it's a good stand and I think it will do me very well. You understand what I'm saying? It's more durable than the first one that I did have. And I'm liking the little bag thing, the pouch that I can strap it on and go on the road. Cause I'm a road man. I have to go to different locations. This is the main reason why I don't buy the C1. Cause the C stand now, it's very heavy. This one is not so heavy. This is lightweight. So this is gonna do me a very, very good job right now. So I'm loving this upgrade. And if you guys have anything to ask about this stand and want to know how to purchase it, you can ask me, leave me in the comment section. I really buy it from eBay and it wasn't that expensive. This stand cost me less than 50 US. So it's a good look. Please remember to subscribe. Your boy Dex Media. You see it? Yeah man. Peace out.